In this video, we are going to cook a new food recipe called Kitchen King, so watch the video till the end for a complete and step-by-step guide. In order to cook this recipe, we need the following ingredients. These can be found easily in any vegetable shop and are easy to buy. Onion 30 grams, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon chopped green chilies, tomato puree 200 grams, yogurt 15 grams, 3 tablespoons Kitchen King recipe mix or spices, half cup diced onions, half cup diced potatoes, 1/2 cup carrots, half cup cauliflower, 1/4 cup green peas, 2 tablespoons butter and 1 tablespoon fresh cream. Steps of cooking. 1. In a pan heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. And then fry a half sliced onion until golden brown. Add 1 tablespoon ginger paste, and then 1 tablespoon finely chopped garlic. 1 tablespoon finely chopped green chilies and cook for 30 seconds. Two. Add 1 cup tomato puree, mix well and cook until completely dry. As you are watching this video, I would like to remind you guys that if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and make sure to press that bell button in order to get the notifications from my latest videos, and also please like this video and share with your friends and family. After that, add 3 tablespoons Kitchen King recipe mix and mix well. Then add 1 tablespoon yogurt and 1 tablespoon cooking oil. Three. Add half cup diced onions, half cup diced potatoes, half cup cauliflower, 1/2 cup carrots, 1/4 cup green peas, and 2 cups of water. Cover with a lid and cook on low flame for 10 to 15 minutes. 4. Add 2 tablespoons butter and 1 tablespoon fresh cream to the gravy and stir well. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye. And guys, if you have any questions or suggestions for us, feel free to comment below and write your suggestions. I always read and reply to everyone.